Given an integer array nums that does not contain any 0, find the largest positive integer k such that negative k also exists in the array. So we have to find the positive integer, like to find the positive integer k, and also find if it has a negative.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For example, this one right here, we have 3, and we also have -3, right? So there is 1, or we output 3. This case we have 7 and -7, we output 7. This case we have 8, right? But we have no -8, so we print out -1.
Okay.
Yep.
So sort the array.
What is it?
Pseudocode. We'll write some pseudocode real quick.
Yep.
So
we're gonna sort array.
Yeah. Sort array.
Right. Have 2 pointers.
Yep.
One
left
at
side.
The start, 1 at the end. Move left side if abs value is less than. Move right.
Move right side, yeah.
No, we get to move left side because it's a left pointer or left pointer.
Well, if the left pointer is less than the right one, you move the right one.
Okay.
If -6.
Right here?
Yeah, no, you could say if absolute value of left side is less than the right pointer, the absolute value of the right pointer, then you move the right side. Yeah. And vice versa.
Same thing. Yep. Alrighty.
Okay.
There we go.
And then if they both equal the same index, so I guess we have to have another check, right? If they're the same index, then return none. Or return -1. Oh, that's funny. Marvin Beak, man. John Pork.
Nah, bro. Alright, so you sorted like this, right? Nums that sort.
Yeah, you gotta say an array, initialize an array equals nums.sort. Right?
Oh.
I think.
I'm not sure. New R, kind of like that. And we're gonna go start. We're gonna equal to new R position 0. And we equal new R dot length. Like this, no?
Len.
I don't know if it's
new R.
Oh. New R dot len?
No, it'll be len parentheses and then new R. And then it like would be -1.
-1. Perfect.
Yeah.
You go. We need a while.
Okay.
While start is less than then right.
Then end.
Then end. Yeah. Right? Because as soon as end becomes less than,
yeah,
they overlap. And I think we can do equal right here. No. I think we can do it like this. Perfect.
Okay.
So if okay, if abs of start is less than abs of end, we're gonna, if this one is less than, we have to move right a little bit down.
Well, you gotta subtract,
Okay.
remember? You gotta have the case where if it equals 0, then return the value. And then
wait. We are. Wait. Give me 1 second. Sorry.
Sure thing.
We here. If wait, I don't think so.
Remember, we first gotta see if it equals 0.
But we can check if they're equal. If we're getting the absolute value.
Oh,
we had no. You're right. We have to check if it's 0. It's say if what is it? New R at position start, right?
Yeah.
Minus new R at position end equal 0. Return. What do we have to return? Return.
New R end.
I'm just gonna get the absolute value just in case. Like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Else, if absolute value is this, we have to move end 1 to the right.
If absolute value of new R at start.
-1, like this, no?
Yeah.
Yep,
But
okay.
it's absolute value of new R start. And also I think it's math.abs or something like that. It might be. I get confused with the math function.
We can check right now, no worries. Like this, right? And then we go, so if I'm just gonna copy it right here.
Can't you just do an else?
I'm just doing just to make sure we because I mean we can do an else. You want to do an else?
I mean, if it works either way, I don't mind. I'm just afraid
this way.
I was just afraid that is there a chance that it could do both of them or no? I didn't think it through, but
I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe when they're equal, but when they're equal, yeah, we can do an else just in case.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure if when they're equal, it's gonna affect. But we can do this. Then I think this should work. Like this, no? Yeah. You gonna run it?
Yeah.
No. All right. Let's see.
I'm scared.
Okay. Okay.
That means the what's being printed. What's new RR new AR? That means something's wrong with that one. No, I always get confused with those. If you have to like equal it or because I know there's like a function that like you have to equal it or something.
No, I think it's this one. It's sorted nums.
Oh, okay.
So. Okay.
You could just do new array equals sorted nums, but that's cool.
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, to be honest. That was quick.
No, we just have a couple things here. Okay. Oh yeah, Orcus just mentioned it. Yep. We got -1. We are getting -1 on each. Let's see what we're getting. It's printed it out.
Oh.
Ooh.
What the? It doesn't count for the negatives. Wait.
Are we doing it right? Holy smokes. Alright. I think you do have to create a new array.
Okay.
Yeah, you do have to create a new array.
That's weird.
Thank you.
What the?
Yep. Yeah. Okay, let's see. You got -1, but we could get -7. So for this case,
Okay.
we have -7, 10. Right. Start is bigger than end. Yeah. If new. Okay, this is false, right? Because we get -7, right? -10. This equals 3. So we'll go absolute of start, which is 7. 7 is less than 10, so we move 10 to 7. 7 is still yes if -7 and 7 return absolute new array.
It's because you're saying -7 minus 7, which it should be a plus.
Oh, you're right. Maybe. Yep, there you go. Nice catch. Ready?
I'm not, but let's do it.
Alright, bet. If this doesn't work, I'm going to bed.
No, you're not.
I think I am. Hey, nah, this is how you though. This is how you came up with this solution.